I think what's really exciting for me is it's a convergent device also for science. When this is an entire science lab, as we knew it when we were young, a colorimeter, spectrophotometer, a microscope, a telescope, accelerometer, everything that was in a science lab when I was a young boy can now converge on a smartphone as well.
Have just experienced unprecedented changes in the past 20 years. We talked about how in my lifetime I used to have 20 different devices to do 20 different things, and now you have one device, a phone, that does all of those things together. Nobody may have been able to imagine that 20 years ago, 40 years ago. So we have to be in the same position. We have to think forward enough to know where learning's going.
What I love about citizen science is it channels children's curiosity through the technology of the smartphone into a place where they're encouraged and inspired to ask bigger questions.
I think anything that gets kids more engaged with science and STEM subjects is important to not only the future of science, but our future. It's the engine that fuels our economy.
And that's what is so important, getting you guys interested in science, technology, engineering, math.
We have a challenge in the world today is we don't have enough scientists, engineers and technologists. And citizen science, part of the raison d'etre, the role of citizen science is to inspire children to want to learn these disciplines.
Citizen science is the beginning of introducing the next generation to the wonder, the fun, the curiosity that is part and parcel of science.
Students have to be able to engage with phenomena. They have to be able to be given experiences to collect data. You saw how excited those kids were in the video. That's the kind of experience we want to create in the classroom, and we want to tie it to experiences that happen outside of the classroom.
I'm excited about citizen science because I believe that this is a critical step if we're going to empower the young generation, kids today, to solve the problems of tomorrow.
Collaboration, especially on an international scale, is incredibly important. I was on the space station for nearly a year with this international partnership of 15 different countries, international crew. International collaboration is critical. Well, it's been great. I got to talk to the kids, see the science experiments that you have set up here.
I think it's been a great success. I mean, obviously the explaining of the citizen science platform and how children here in Abu Dhabi and wider across the world can use that to engage with science, technology, engineering and mathematics.
All the great scientists were once children, and I would argue that the best scientists maintain that sense of curiosity, that wonder, that questioning.
Now we have no excuse to create the tools with those devices to engage young people, to find 10 million Einsteins, because the world needs at least 10 million or more to solve today's problems.